Welcome back to the electric side of things. Today, we are going to check out what I bought. I bought this at Home Depot. I couldn't actually believe the price of this. This was actually $39. And that is crazy because that small screwdriver alone is like $15. This one's like $20. And this one's like 30 something dollars. And I got all three for $39. I was walking by it. I didn't really need it, but when there's a good deal like this, you can't pass it up, right? Let's see what it says in the back. So it comes 3/16, quarter, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, and 9/16. Are you kidding me? It's crazy. And then this screwdriver, and the small screwdriver. I made a review on this little small screwdriver before. I don't know if they improved it or not, but I had problems with the little tips, losing the little tips, because especially in my case, I'm an industrial electrician, so I'm always walking around, and I find it works nice, but I don't want to be worried about losing a tip. Once you lose a tip, it's kind of useless, right? So I just preferred the other ones. I bought the Klein, the longer one that adjusts in the back, but it's one solid piece. And if you want to see my other videos about those, you can go check them out on my YouTube channel. I love these ones. I used the longer one because I find it more easier for me, but this one works good too. But I was surprised to see this in the aisle. There you go. Excuse me, because I'm trying to record this with my phone and try to take it apart with my hands, and that's not going to work out, but anyways. So, I'm going to give me a minute, I'll take this all apart, and then I will show you. So here we are, back again. Start with the small one. These are the little tips that come inside. They're interchangeable. And then, you know, see, there. I find that after a while, this gets loose inside the chamber. It tends to fall out. And once you lose a tip like that, it's kind of pointless, right? This guy, which is awesome. I like this one a lot. Look at that, eh? Like a big jigsaw puzzle, put it back together, but it's awesome. And I am surprised with this, 9/16. Awesome. That's how it looks. Oh, there's nothing in it. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah. And then this one here, it's just a handle. Yeah, this one here has two nut drivers, nut driver there, nut driver there. This one comes out and changes. Okay, that's pretty cool. Well, that's pretty good. I like that one. So there you go. I am very happy with this. So if you want, you should go out to Home Depot and buy yourself a set, because that's killer price for $39 Canadian. So it's like 20. So that's $40 Canadian, like $30 American. I don't know if they have that where you are, but there you go. This is bonus pack. So that's what I got. Subscribe, like, comment below if you want me to buy more tools and show you more tools, because I can do this all day long. So be safe, be careful, and love what you do. Have a great day. Bye.